Hey guys, Jedd here from Disrupt Tutoring. Always such a pleasure to join you. Today we're going to do a measurement question, and specifically we're trying to calculate the volume of a rectangular prism. So let's read the question together. We've got in the rectangular prism below, the length equals 5 centimeters, the breadth equals 3 centimeters, and the height equals 10 centimeters. Calculate the volume of the rectangular prism. Now what do we know about volume? Volume is simply multiplication of the length, the breadth, and the height. So it's always so important to know these formulas. Another easy way to remember volume and the relationship between volume and area is volume is simply the area times height. The area times height. And we know the area of a rectangle is length times breadth, so therefore the volume must be length times breadth times height. So if you don't know this formula, it's going to be very difficult for you to get this one right. So the first thing we need to do is write down the formula. So we've got volume equals length times breadth times height. I'm going to pop in some brackets and I'm going to replace those brackets with the values they have given us. So in terms of the length, they've said to us the length is 5 centimeters. So I'm going to put 5 where the length is. For breadth, they've said to us is 3 centimeters. So I'm going to put 3 over there. And height, they've told us is 10 centimeters. So I'm going to put a 10 in over there. So now let's calculate this together. 5 times 3 is 15. And when we times 15 by 10, we just add a 0, which is going to be 150. So our answer here is 150. Now, why are we not getting the full mark here? We're not, because we haven't included the units of measurement. So I'm going to do that. Why would I still not get the right mark? Because we are working in 3 dimensions. So we've times centimeters together 3 times. And that's why we have a cubed over there. Don't forget that part. Remember always to neatly underline your answers so the examiner and the marker can clearly see where your answer is. And that's all from me, guys. Hopefully this helps you in your next test when they're definitely going to ask you how to calculate the volume of a rectangular prism. Before I go, special thank you to our sponsors for making these videos possible. Find out more about them in the description below. If you are keen for more of these videos, head over to our website and we will happily answer any of your questions. So share them with us and we will respond with some personalized videos just for you. Until the next time, guys, stay epic.